So, hello everyone. Since it's Halloween time, I'll be continuing to share to you the previous topic about Satan, but I will be giving different verses from the previous time. So, medyo mahirap to guys dahil hawak-hawak ko lang yung phone ko dahil hindi ibigay ni Inda yung ating pang ano dyan. So, pwede na to magamit kayo sa gihatag na ang phone stand. Truth number one about Satan is under God's authority. If we're going to read Job 1, 6 up to 12, it says, in IV version, one day the angels came to present themselves before the Lord, and Satan also came with them. The Lord said to Satan, "Where have you come from?" Satan answered the Lord, "From roaming throughout the earth, going back and forth on it." Then the Lord said to Satan, "Have you considered my servant Job? There is no one on earth like him. He is blameless and upright, a man who fears God and shuns evil." Does Job fear God for nothing? Satan replied, "Have you not put a hedge around him and his household and everything he has? You have blessed the work of his hands, so that his flocks and herds are spread throughout the land. But now stretch out your hand and strike everything he has, and he will surely curse you to your face." The Lord said to Satan, "Very well then, everything he has is in your power, but the man himself do not lay a finger." Then Satan went out from the presence of the Lord. So it only shows that Satan is under God's authority. Sometimes God will allow us to be tested, even just like Job, no, but let us not be worried because pinapakita dito sa verse na ito that God is really in total control of everything. Even if it happens, still God is looking for us and He is watching over us, and He has a promise, no? Hindi niya tayo sasaktan. Hindi tayo bibigyan ng mga problema na hindi natin kaya or kakayanin. Nalito talaga ako guys kung magtagalog ba ako magbisaya guys kasi Bisaya man talaga ako. So magtaglish, Tagalog, English at saka Bisaya na lang tayo dito guys. So di na mag-uol no kay under gyud si Satanas sa authority ni God bisag unsa ang buhaton niya sa tuang kinabuhi, nakakontrol ang Ginoo ni ana. So dili ta ngayon nga mag-uol o mabalak ka. We have to trust God and we should not be afraid of Him kay greater man si God, no? He is greater than he who is in this world. So, ikaduha nga verse is naa sa Mateo 4:1 up to 11. Satan will tempt Jesus followers. Mo ni siya ang time nga kanang gitempod ni Satanas si Jesus. So, taas kay siya, guys, nga verse. Kamo na lang ang basa, please. So, pwede niyo siya basahon. Muna siya ang time nga gitintal, no, si Jesus ni Satanas. Pero wala siya nakadaog. Next verse is, Satan is completely evil. Sa John 8:44. Yung siya dari nga, you belong to your father, the devil, in Jesus' name. And you want to carry out your father's desires. He was a murderer from the beginning, not holding to the truth, for there is no truth in him. When he lies, he speaks his native language, for he is a liar and the father of lies. So, dili gyud ang So, yang gi-mention diri guys nga si Satan, ang devil, he is the father of lies, no? He is a liar and the father of lies. So he loves to do evil things kay evil gid siya bisag unsaon di na bag-o nga character niya mao gyud na siya. Next verse is nasa Ephesians chapter 2 verses 1 to 2. Satan is the temporary ruler over this world. So nangayo dahil dudo si Rema pero di na siya padudoon kay ting panihapon naman alas 7 na kapin. Ngayon siya diri nga, once you were dead because of the disobedience and your many sins. You used to live in sin just like the rest of the world, obeying the devil, the commander of the powers in the unseen world. He is the spirit at work in the hearts of those who refuse to obey God. So, mo ni siya ang nakabutang diri guys nga verse atong masabtan diri nga ang kaaway si Satanas siya ang mag-control sa mga tao nga mga dili mag-obey kang God. No, so importante jud kaayo kay nagay verse na ingon nga obedience is better than sacrifice. Mas ganahan ang Ginoo nga mahimutang mag-obey sa iyaha kay kung dili naay posibilidad nga sa ato ang pag-disobey open ang door sa kaaway para siya ang magmanipulate sa ato ang life. Na ay open doorway ba sa kaaway nga makontrol ta niya. And the last verse is nasa Ephesians 6:12, Satan and his demons are spiritual. So mo ni siya nga ako ang pinakaganahan jud nga verse nga diri ko na aware no nga ang ato ang battle is not against yun siya dara ingon siya da akong basahon. For we are not fighting against flesh and blood enemies, but against evil rulers and authorities of the unseen world, against mighty powers in this dark world, and against evil spirits in the heavenly places. Sa NLT o NIV version dayang akong gikuha. So atong masabtan guys ato ang life labi na kung nagapagamit ta sa Ginoo no di gyud malikayan nga naa mga moment nga ang kaaway all the more nga mo atake sa ato kay dili siya gusto nga ma-expose siya, dili siya gusto nga kanang daghan ang makabalo sa truth. So kung naa ka diri it's not an accident. God allowed you to be here for you to know the truth and the truth shall set you free. Kay mo na siya ang mga butang no nga ako ang nasabtan nga from time to time gina-check din ako ang self this is not from God, so I must reject it, I must renounce it, I must not believe in it, it's negative. So dili ni siya gikan sa Ginoo. So I have to pray, I have to read His Word, I have to remind myself about the truth of God. Kay grabe jud ka powerful ang word ni God. This is kanang a reminder to all of us nga we have to be really strong and we have to choose our battle every day. Kay na mga battles nga dili nato siya kaya no kung dili kinahanglan nato ang gahom sa Ginoo. So wala to siya guys no kay samok to siya si Rema. Bye bye everyone, see you on my next video. Dili ta mag-celebrate og Halloween ha, kaya Halloween it's not for us, labi na kay Christian man ta. I don't know how to really explain it deeply, pero kung magsuot-suot manggod ta og mag-ghost ta, magpintal-pintal ta sa atong naw nga mura ta og nakuan ana. It's just like we celebrate with darkness, no? And dili siya binuhatan sa mga Christians. We are opening doors for the enemy sa ato ang life. Although wala lang na siya para sa ato physically siguro or sa atong kuan, pero as you know the truth, it shall set you free. May you be convicted. Ay dili gid siya maayo nga kanang sa spiritual realm manggod murag magsadya ang mga demons. Yes, nanatay lain ko kay nag-celebrate sila together with us. Ana lang. So I hope that you learned something. Bye-bye.